Use this as a mallet. Then hold on. Yeah.
That's why it has this scratch.
And pull that. What is this?
That is what we're trying to repair.
So basically, what this is your shoulder joint,
Okay.
right? This is your glenoid, your labrum, and your humeral head. Right? So it works like a golf tee, right? It sits in place. When there's dislocation, it means the labrum is torn, right? Or damaged. So they need to fix it, otherwise it keeps falling off. So what they need to do is they need to fix this, which is known as your labrum, which is what we're going to fix, using either a Pushlock or a fiber tack anchor.
This is a model of this part for us to practice on.
In now,
Meaning the port for the shoulder arthroscopy, where all these instruments will go through.
what do they need to do? They want to pass a lasso around it. So what do you want to do first? Are we doing this one or are we doing this one?
This one first, the one with the drill.
So what they'll do is let's just make it.
And they put it in through this. Yeah?
Yep, then go in.
From underneath. Well, we wouldn't see it anyway.
Yep, underneath, perfect.
Yeah. And they...
Yep, perfect. Pull out as much as you can.
Yeah.
So then what you need to get them ready is a suture retriever.
Yeah, and they pull
So that I'm going to go in.
So retriever immediately after this.
Some people just pull it all the way out, pull that out.
Yeah.
No.
Oh yeah, that's nice.
Keep it. Pull the other. Perfect. So this is now come out.
Yeah.
So now what do they want? They might ask you for
A fiber tape.
fiber link suture tape. Yeah.
Should I wait, then they
Fiber
use
link suture
the
tape.
grabber to pass it through. Or no, they just
There you
straight
go.
through. Yeah.
So what you want to do? You want to feed the looped end through the loop end.
Yeah.
Both of these ends.
Yep.
Fold it a little bit.
Yeah.
Yeah, perfect. Fold it there.
Yeah.
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 Then you want to pull that
We'll
all
have
the
the
way
orange
out.
thing. You know that orange thing that comes in it? I don't know why we haven't got any of those.
Yeah, pull.
All the way out.
Pull.
No, not that one.
Perfect. So then what they're then going to go back in, they're going to go back in and grab this.
Okay. So
And pull it out.
using the grabber.
Yeah,
Get what you
yeah.
mean.
So you're going to go
this
in.
Goes back in. Oh, I want to understand the mechanism. Then they grab this one. And they just pull it out.
Yeah. So you want both of them on
This
this.
one.
Then you're going to pull it through,
And they...
pull it all the way down. All the way.
Okay, so
Then they're
this is
going
the
to
difference.
put that through here. No?
Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. Oh, I get what you mean. That's all we need, like the orange bit. If we got
Yeah,
it.
if you have that.
Yeah.
Okay.
Then they'll clip that off and
Okay.
then put that to the side.
All right.
Then what they're going to do, they're going to go in with their guide.
The guide first. Okay.
With this.
Oh, yeah, because the obturated.
Upside, yeah.
Yeah.
They're going to go
So
all the way
they
in,
go in.
pulling the tissue away.
Yeah. And they're going to this another hole.
Yeah, so go to that hole
This
there.
one.
Yeah,
Because there'll be an orange.
perfect. Then they're going to take that
Take
out.
this out. And a drill.
Yeah, so that's the drill,
Create
guys.
it. Oh, so this all would not
is
be
the
there
drill?
normally.
No, it wouldn't.
Yeah,
Just
so
because
they
we're
will
doing the
drill.
demo. They'll drill.
Then they take it. But while
Both
they're taking
out.
it off this ankle,
No, take them both out.
both of them.
Yeah.
Yeah.
This is with the, you can see the hole, right? So take
But
it
what
out.
if they don't want
If-
it all to close?
No, it won't close. When you're doing a fiber tack,
Yeah.
then it's hard.
Then it's also
Yeah.
when we take this out,
You
then,
just take that out, you're done.
yeah, and we'll take this in.
Yeah, so I'll hold this for you.
Thank
Get a bit of resistance.
Yep.
Push down to now. Try and get all the metal away.
This,
No screw, not a screw, not a screw. Just push down. They might want a mallet here.
yeah.
Mallet it in.
Then mallet. Okay.
So, hold on.
Yeah.
Use this as a mallet. Then, hold on. Yeah.
And hold this flat.
That's why it has this scratch.
And pull that through.
Is that okay?
Yeah. Then push that back. Pull your finger like this, so like that. Flip
Oh,
it.
okay, like this, take this off,
Yeah.
then
Okay.
bang this in.
Yeah.
Okay.
See, that's
Yeah.
all the way down. You
Oh,
hear the
yeah.
sound. Now twist it clockwise, anti-clockwise. sorry.
Oh,
Good.
Perfect. Pull it out.
yeah, everything.
Everything out.
And I take the tape cutter,
Yeah. Fiber tape cutter.
fiber tape,
We need to cut it with a fiber tape.
and I go
I've
all
got it,
the
I'm
way
coming.
It's
So
coming.
we're gonna go in,
and flush it.
all the way down. Yeah.
Yeah.
Either curved or you got it straight. Right. If you got this, is more flexible, it's more bendable. That's for the curved.